Alright, good morning. This is John from Aviate Prep. Today I'm going to go ride and do the Fisk Arrival in the Cirrus SR-22.
There we go, and just keep it up there.
All right, I'm going to come on down to 500 feet above.
Left-hand turn now. I know this is your second time here. I'm sorry. We're just in a temporary hold. We'll get you in as soon as we can.
Yeah, please. We just came from Fond du Lac. We're not going to have a whole lot of fuel.
Advise me if you're at minimum fuel.
We'll let you know. We're not yet, but we have still.
Just keep that left turn here, and you're going to be going back to green lane transition. Thank you.
Do you have an estimated delay time?
Not at this time. Traveler 311 Foxtrot Tango. Fisk, are you up?
Yes, we're up.
We're not holding around Green Lake. You're going to find the procedure as if you're coming into land, so back to Fisk. We'll call that westbound turn.
Well, we're at Twin and we're overtaking.
So this is Green Lake we're coming up on right here.
Traffic at 500 feet.
So what they want us to do is stay visually around the lake, and we're going to turn short of Fuckaway Lake.
All right, we got a low wing.
So where we're going to join the procedure is over there. And we've got somebody right out here in front of us, 900 below. But I'm still, at this point, I'm still staying above the procedure until I get ready to turn in. And once I get to 2,800 feet, I'm going to go ahead and slow up to my speed. There's the traffic out there in front of us.
So don't cut them off. But yep, just
in fact, I'll go ahead and set my power here for what I need.
All right, we climb back up to 2,300. Go fast.
If you're still fast, yes, you can maintain 2,300 feet, 135 knots.
Roger. 5-2 Alpha Uniform, you just dropped right in front of me.
Yeah, I was coming up the approach as published.
Yeah, I mean, you got to see the aircraft right next to you about 300 feet, right?
Off my left wing, I have you in sight.
Nose to tail, guys, if we can here. Let's try and make this as painless as possible. Thank you for working with us. Like I said, we're going to try and get you out of the hold as soon as possible. But keep coming up the railroad tracks if you're coming towards Fisk. Mile and trail, and we'll get you in a turnout and rejoin for the continue coming out.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go down to 2,300 now. So that's going to be the traffic we're following right up there.
Skyline 872, Fisk, are you up?
Yes, this is Skyline November 97872, just at the north end of Green Lake.
Skyline 872, we're not holding over Green Lake. You're going back to the Green Lake transition for inbound on the arrival procedure. So not holding over it. So fly up to Fisk, and we'll give you a turn to rejoin at the Green Lake transition.
Copy that. We'll fly to Fisk and fly inbound to Fisk from Ripon, 872.
RV, half mile.
There's 200 feet to go.
Pretty good, Rock. Excellent. You're to be making a left turn northbound here. Keep Rush Lake off your left wing, and you're to rejoin for the Green Lake transition. We're in hold here of page number 5. And we're starting back to the start point. As you come up the railroad tracks, we'll get you closer to Fisk and make a left-hand turn. We'll get you going around. And again, at Green Lake, continue the arrival to Fisk, and we'll break you off to rejoin the transition. Seneca 5 Charlie Delta, are you diverting?
We're in the Rush Lake hold. We have another attempt left.
Negative. You need to proceed northbound here and by the procedure inbound, flying to Fisk.
Well, we're in the public hold over the Rush Lake.
Negative. We're now holding over Rush Lake. I need you to go north of Green Lake, restart the procedure. I got a low wing just over Fisk. Rock your wings, make a left-hand turn. Yep, there we go. Good rock. Left turn north.
All right, I'm at 138, 137. That's pretty good.
We're going to be going, you're going to be going.
Still got my traffic over here. Looking for anybody that's not ADSB. It could happen.
Attention all craft on Fisk radio. I understand we might have used the word hold. We are not in holding. Do not fly the published hold. You're going to fly the arrival to Fisk at 1,800 feet if it's 90 knots. If you're fast, you're doing it at 2,300 knots. Fly the arrival all the way to Fisk over railroad tracks, and we're going to break you off reference to that. When it opens up, we're going to continue this, so that's not going to be in hold. So fly the arrival all the way to Fisk, please. 1,800 feet, 2,300 feet. Twin, come up on Fisk. Give me a rock. That's a nice rock, thank you. Turn left. Keep the lake off your left. Fly back down to Green Lake and rejoin the arrival.
Okay, so we're inbound now. We're going to start really looking for traffic. I got one plus 100 right over there off our right side. Let's keep an eye out for him. He's converging with us. Looks like he's going to slide in behind us. Should be just behind the wing on your side. You got him back there?
He's inside.
Okay.
Good rock here. You're going to be following a twin that just made that turn. Make that left turn northbound. Left turn northbound. Thank you.
Morning, Fisk. Cody 14's up.
Cody 14 Fisk, good morning.
Is the field closed?
It's not closed. They're having a lot that's coming in right now. So right now we're just F-15s are at the airport.
Roger.
Copy this down. Can you plan the procedure inbound, and we're hoping to open up soon? It's been probably 15 minutes, so it should be much longer. Come on, Fisk, and let me know when you're short.
So
61 Hotel, did you see me at all?
they've changed things the last couple of years. Used to be we would hold around the individual lakes, and now what they're doing is when they go into holding, it's go back all the way to the starting point. Instead of having multiple holds after clear out, then it's just one big hold all the way around. They still have the option to do the short holds, but they've decided it's a little less efficient. But what you get here is a lot of people say, oh, well, I've been doing that for 10 years. I know what I'm doing. And now it changes. And they say, oh, wait, what are we doing now? Why are we not holding at Rush Lake? Well, we don't hold at Rush Lake now. So some growing pains. But pretty much when we're out here like this, the main thing we're doing here is just keeping an eye out for traffic, because there will be some non-ADSBs out here. And the nice thing is with us being up here at 2,300, there's less traffic up here than there is down low. But it's still the same thing. You still got to be watching, because there can be a guy down low that's not on altitude that drifts up in front of you. There's just crazy things can happen. It is OshKosh, right? So with Bob and I, when we come out here and fly around, we know all these guys. We trained a lot of them, and they know. So we call ourselves Cody 14, Cody 15. We were controller of the year for the other event, and so it's really nice. And so I sent a text earlier to let these guys know that I was coming, what I was looking to do, and
Everybody inbound.
Yeah, Bob always talks about knowing the players on the field.
Mile and trail, nose to tail, 1,800 feet, 90 knots.
So what they ask us to do is, now I'm actually in nav mode right now going to Ripon, but they really ask us, especially after Ripon going up to Fisk, they want us to follow the railroad tracks and not go point to point. They want everybody to stay over the tracks because that keeps a good lineup when it gets to Fisk. And you got some guys don't have GPS, some do. So if you get some following the tracks, some not, well, the common denominator is everybody can follow the tracks. So we're turning to join them right here. And so once I get turned, I'll just go ahead and I'll go back into heading mode, and we'll use the heading bug so as long as we use autopilot.
Miles southwest of Fisk, rocket wing.
And
detail nose light. Make that left-hand turn. Proceed northbound.
Yeah, this is going to work.
You're northbound here, and you'll be making a left turn to rejoin the Green Lake. Low wing here, behind the V-tail Bonanza rocket wing. Excellent. Here.
There's a low wing down there in front of us.
And V-tail, or correction, low wing here. Follow that V-tail, or low wing in front of you. Make that left-hand turn now. And follow him around. Keep it going. Keep it wrapping around to go to the north and reach.
Got some pretty good wind out here. Got a good tailwind right now pushing us.
High wing. High wing, half mile southwest of Fisk. Left light, rocket wing. High wing here. There we go. Nice rock here. You're going to be following. Left turn. Proceed northbound. Follow that low wing trap that just made that.
So we're 6 miles from Fisk now. Sounds like they're still going to be in the hold. We're probably going to get one more loop out here.
If you're inbound here, nose to tail, 1 mile in trail over the railroad tracks. All right, I have a traffic that's northbound here, still high wing. That's south of Fisk. Turn back right here. Turn back right. Come towards the airport. There you go. Nice turn in here. Just keep coming towards us, and we'll get you in a turn here so you don't cut anybody off. What's your call sign?
872.
872. Very good. Keep it coming up to the northeast. Straight in. Nice. Good job.
Thank you, Betty.
2, start that left-hand turn. Proceed northbound to the west. 872, thank you very much. Good turn. Low wing, half mile southwest of Fisk, roger wing. Excellent rock. And low wing here, make that left-hand turn. You're following the high wing traffic here. Proceed left turn now. Proceed to the north. Twin up high here, rocket wing. A twin.
And so where Fisk is at, it's hard to see from up here, but we see the railroad tracks going right up this way, and you can look up the hill to there's a clearing there with some houses on the road. They're in a trailer right up there on the knoll.
Turn to the north. Sorry about that here, twin. Yep, keep it at 2,300 feet.
That's the guy in front of us.
21-4, start to slow down and begin your descent.
31-14, roger, slow and descent.
We need 1 mile in trail. No side-by-sides here. Keep it nose to tail. 1 mile in trail over the railroad tracks. Encoding 14, you got a high wing just underneath you here.
Roger.
Start your right turn, heading 090, coding 14. Got a high wing over Fisk, rock your wings. Got low wing traffic, make your right-hand turn. You're going to be following at Cirrus. That's just ahead of you now, dropping at 1,800 feet. High wing, start that right-hand turn, 090, right now. High wing, over Fisk. Start that turn, follow the Cirrus. Give yourself some spacing here with about a mile in trail. If you could slow it down. Cody 14, you're going to monitor tower 126.6, entering left downwind for runway 18 right.
Cody 14, we'll go. Thanks, guys. See ya.
Have a good one, copy. High wing, over Fisk, rock your wings. There we go. Nice rock here. Make that right-hand turn. 090. Keep the microwave tower off your right wing.
Okay. Fuel pump mixture. Autopilot. All good.
So rock your wing. You're going to have to make a left turn. Left turn heading northbound here to reach.
Okay. Now I should be leading the conga line, so even though we should be slowing to 90, I'm actually going to keep it a little above 100 here as we come inbound.
All aircraft inbound from Fisk, maintain 1,800 until on downwind, 90 knots. We're going to have multiple aircraft departing underneath. 1,800 on Fisk.
Morning, Tower. Cody 14 is leading the conga line.
Cody 14, roger. Cody 14, is that you inbound from Fisk?
Hey, firm, just crossing the highway now.
Roger.
All right, and they got departures coming out, so I'm actually squeezing in. We're supposed to be over the road, but I'm squeezing in just a little bit because I know they got traffic launching out under us. All right. See him.
Tight.
Cody 14, is that you past the parallel?
Cody 14 is just past the runway.
Cody 14, you can start your downwind turn out, start your descent.
We'll go.
Cody 14, you want the option?
Yeah, we'll be a full stop.
Cody 14, you can turn base now, we're on or after the pink dot, clear land.
Base now, at or after pink dot, clear land. Cody.
Cody 14, go ahead and start your inbound turn now. High wing turning downwind, start your downwind turn now, and start your descent. 1,890 knots on, coming inbound from Fisk, 1,890 knots, got multiple aircraft departing underneath you. High wing in the downwind, start your descent now. Start your base turn now, on or after the pink dot. Go ahead and start your base hand turn, keeping on one big turn into one turn into final. Check first duck, Mike. Tail dragger needs to turn downwind and start your descent. Tail dragger downwind and descent.
High wing on that base turn. Keep that base turn coming. Keep that base turn coming all the way to the pink dot. Keep that base turn coming.
Tail dragger, tighten that downwind up for me a little bit. I need you guys inbound close. Cody 14, right hand turn into the grass as quick as possible. Got somebody inbound behind you.
Clear, Cody. See you.
See you.
Dream of becoming a pilot one day but don't know where to start? How to Become a Pilot is your ultimate guide. This book breaks down everything you need, from private pilot to airline transport pilot, covering what training you need, how much it costs, and most importantly, how to save money along the way. I'm Bob Cam, one of the instructors at Aviate Prep, and as a flight instructor, I know just how overwhelming this process may seem. But with the right knowledge, you can do it and save money. Just remember, the more you learn before your lessons, the easier the training will be. Take control of your aviation dream today. How to Become a Pilot will show you how. Enter your email, and Aviate Prep will send you a free copy.